Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a perfect full body back massager that is going to be great for targeting areas like your shoulders, your back, between kind of like that spot along your spine, even your kind of thighs and calves and your buttocks area. Feels absolutely great. So this was sent over by a company called COMFIER. It's going to come with this like little user manual. We're going to cover all the features right here, but this is the model CF-3407. Once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it's right down here in front of me. You can have this in kind of multiple positions. So I like to use it where you just lay on the floor or the bed. It has a nice couple inch thick cushion to it, so it's very, very comfortable to lay on. Give you an overall idea of the size. It's about 67 inches in length and about 17 3/4 inches wide, but very, very comfortable. Now it also folds up, so if you wish to put this in a chair, like let's say you're at the office or you're working long shift, you can do that. The back part will sit on the back of the chair. Then you're gonna sit on the fabric leather part, and then the bottom flap will go to kind of where your thighs are and fold down the edge of the chair itself. But like I said, I like to lay on it because it has a little bit more even when it putting your body weight and pressure on it. Now, if this thing is too intense for you when utilizing the various modes that it has, it does have a way to dampen that down. You'll notice there is this nice little leather attachment flap here. This is completely removable with Velcro, so just go ahead and remove it. It's also nice because you can easily wipe it down if you wish, but go ahead and remove this, and now you can lay straight on this mesh material that's very breathable, and that's gonna give you a lot more contact. But like I said, if it's too intense, go ahead and add the little cushion part. Now, as far as it also has a nice little faux leather headrest. It's got a nice soft, so if you want something for your neck support, you can do that, or you can flip it back and just lay straight down as you wish. So you can have your neck raised, or you can kind of position it up to where it's on the ground and you're moved up your back a little bit higher. So depending on how tall you are, you got flexible areas with hitting those massage points. Now, as far as controls, very, very easy to use. It just plugs into a standard plug. And then you're gonna have this nice little remote control that has all the buttons on it. First button on the bottom, that is going to turn it on. Now, all the upper controls for your actual back are here at the top. I personally like the full back massage, and it's gonna have essentially this rolling multi-node piece on either side of your spine. It feels like a kneading massage, if you will. So those little nodes are going in a circle pattern and slowly moving up, which is nice. Now, you can choose to target that only on your upper back, and then you'll notice a little upper back light will light up, or you can choose to target on just your lower back, or like I said, you can do both your upper and your lower back. Now, as far as those rollers moving up and down and the speed of them rolling around, you're gonna have three options. You're gonna have a low option, then you're gonna have a medium option, which both lights will be on, and then you're gonna have a high option with the light underneath the H, and that's just gonna be basically controlling the speeds of those rollers. Now, if you come home, let's say you have a certain knot in a area, and you just wanna focus on that, there is a spot button. You can go ahead and highlight that, and then you're gonna use the two little arrows to adjust the rollers so that way it's targeting only that specific spot. Great for, like I said, if there's a spot that's really, really bugging you, you can control it, use that. Otherwise, you can just relax with the full back. Now, as far as the other feature, this has a kind of vibration in the seat element itself. You can choose to have that on at the same time. You can choose to have that on only as an option and shut off the upper roller. Once again, it's up to you. How are you gonna turn that on? You're gonna turn on the vibration button, and it's gonna have 3 different vibration modes, and all that is gonna be the different patterns of vibration, and the light will change colors letting you know. So you're gonna have more of a static one. You're gonna have then more of like a soft one that kind of goes little pulses, if you will. And then your third one is gonna be more like an intensity. It ramps up, it ramps down, that kind of stuff. Now, as far as controlling those intensities, you're gonna have 3 of those options as well. So you're gonna have a low, a medium, and a high. And as you can probably hear from the microphone, the high, it is a lot more noisier. However, if you don't use the vibration, this thing is really, really quiet. So you can easily utilize this while watching a movie or on a call or anything like that, and other people aren't going to hear it because of how quiet it is. Now, as far as soothing heat, it does have soothing heat on here if you wish to utilize that. There is a heat button. You're going to have two heating options. Like the orange light is the low, and then the red light is the high. And then finally, it's going to have a timer option. You can set this to auto turn off after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. But overall, like I said, you have a lot of customizable options when utilizing this. If you're into the market and you're looking for just a great massaging mat to hit your whole back area, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.